Let's be real. If you're a natural lifter, meaning the only test you take are the ones you fail at school, then you're playing a completely different game. You can't just copy your favorite shredded influencer who trains 6-7 days a week and expect the same results. They're enhanced, you're not. And if you keep following their workouts, you'll just stay stuck small forever. But if you actually want to escape being that guy who's been lifting for months and still look the same, if you want to be aesthetic, if you want to be lean, then you need to play by a different set of rules. So if you're done staying small, here's how to actually do it. The truth most people won't tell you is that when you're natural, every single set counts. You don't have the luxury of endless recovery like the guys on steroids. They can do junk workouts, sleep like trash, and eat randomly, and still grow. But we can't as naturals. That means your training needs to be focused, intentional, and efficient, or you'll just waste your time, energy, and recovery. So the foundation is quite simple. You just need to get brutally strong on basic compound lifts. Bench press, pull-ups, rows, presses, squats, dips. These movements are the real muscle builders. Take bench press for an example. Start with a weight you can hit for 8 reps clean. Let's say 135. Once that's easy, add a little weight. For example, 145. You'll probably hit 5 to 6 reps and then work your way back up until you can do 8 clean reps again. Repeat the cycle. That's progressive overload. Simple, but it works. Unlike switching exercises every 2 weeks because you're bored. Stick with the basics, get strong as hell, and your physique will change. It does not have to be complicated. And here's the mistake I see skinny guys making all the time, and I used to do this myself. You don't need 5 different chest exercises in one session. People will do bench press, incline press, cable flies, dumbbell flies. That's just wrecking your recovery. When you actually train hard, close to failure, 1 or 2 heavy working sets per exercises with a rep range of around 5 to 8 reps is enough. Anything more and you're probably just wasting energy you could be using to grow. You see, the goal isn't to leave the gym feeling destroyed. It's to leave the gym knowing your body can actually recover and grow. Remember this, more training does not equate to more muscle. Recovery is the real bottleneck. And here's another tough pill. You probably need more rest days, not fewer. I used to think rest days were for lazy people, so I'd go 6-7 days a week, and guess what? I started plateauing, I didn't grow. Now, instead I train 4 to 5 days a week. This gives me at least 2 to 3 full recovery days, and my strength and muscle finally started climbing. If you're a natural, recovery is your secret weapon. If you're always sore, always tired, and not progressing, you're just burning out. So here's your game plan if you actually want to grow as a natural lifter. Train 4 to 5 days a week, upper, lower, push or pull, whichever you prefer, as long as you build your sessions around compounds first and isolation exercises second. Train heavy and take your working sets to failure. I'm talking 0 to 1 reps left in the tank. And of course, track your lifts. Numbers should go up over time. If they're not, it means you're plateauing, in which you should prioritize recovery instead. Remember, sleep, food, and rest days, that's where the growth happens. Simply put, the difference between staying small and actually building that aesthetic physique isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right thing consistently. Train hard, recover harder, and watch your body change. If you're serious about growing and building that aesthetic physique, make sure to like and subscribe. I've got way more raw advice coming in that'll keep you from wasting years like I did. And if you want to know the exact diet setup I used to go from skinny to aesthetic, watch this video next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.